All right, you're not going to believe where I'm at today. I'm at the LA County Fair out here in Pomona, and I found this really cool item. Now, you're going to think, what does this have to do with biking, riding, or anything like that? Guess what? We all drive cars, and every so often we get a chip in our window, and we're going like, oh my God, this is going to grow into something better. See the name on his shirt? It's called Rock Pro. And this is Ryan. He's the founder of Rock Pro. Ryan, tell us what you made.
Well, it's a brand new kit. We're getting out to everybody. It just came out last month. So basically what it does, it fixes windshields. 10 minutes or less, anyone can do it. How it works is it's cartridge based. So first you snip off the tip of the cartridge, you load it directly into the device. Once it's loaded in the device, it pushes right in here. You load it back up, you put the top back on. You put it over the brake, push down, make sure you center it correctly, twist down till it touches. Real easy. Quarter turn a little bit more, twist this back upwards. What that does is it pulls the air out of the brake. That's what you want to do first. Pull the air out, creates a vacuum. Once the air is out, you literally see the air come out. Then what you do is you twist this down, the top part, and that takes the resin down to the bottom of the cylinder. Okay? Then all we have to do after that is twist this part right back down on top, pushes the resin right into the glass. The glass will actually just clear up.
And I'm going to show you guys right now. Here's a sample of it over here. And there was, let's see, bring it over here. So there is a chip right there where I'm pointing, right over here, and you can barely see it. There's nothing there. That's the same, that's a repair chip right there. So there is a bit of a process, but it's totally DIY. And here's the killer thing. How much are you selling them for?
$49.99. It comes with 3 cartridges. Once you get done with the cartridges, you can buy new cartridges. We sell 2 cartridges for $9.99.
Can't go wrong with that price. It's so much cheaper than having to lose a whole windshield, which are going for over $1,000 right now. If you can stop that crack right away, this is it. This is a gold mine find right here. Where can we order them?
You can order them at rockpro.info.
All right, thank you, Ryan, for all that info. One more thing?
One more thing.
Go ahead.
They also come with a corner adapter.
Oh, that's right,
so
that's right.
The corner adapter actually fixes everything on the edges and anything in the corners. So you can get all the way around the windshield.
All right, so this kit covers it all. So not just in the center of your windshield, but on the corners and the edges too. Ryan, thanks for this info.
No problem. You have a great day.